If you have nothing or you don't have a lot, then how are you supposed to share nothing with other people? I was a small guy from a small town, and I was taught. I was taught by the actions around me. I was taught by the people around me. I was taught by the words that were spoken to me to play small, to be afraid of going outside of those county lines because the chances of falling on your face outside of those county lines is just way too high. So don't take a chance. Don't take a chance on yourself. Don't get outside of your comfort zone. We're going to put you in this box, and it might not be a successful box, but it'll at least be a comfortable little box. And what I realized was I spent a lot of time in that comfortable little box and little jail cell. So now I've made it my purpose and my passion to say, hey, this is where I was, and I love my mom and dad, and I love where I came from, and I am proud of it. But I was created for so much more than that. So to have a platform to be able to speak to people, to be able to train people, to be able to speak on stages like this, thank you for this opportunity, to be on camera, behind the camera, investments, and just become wildly successful and empower and motivate and inspire people that you were created for so much more than you can think or imagine. And I am so happy that I finally came to that realization. Maybe a little bit too late, maybe not too late, because it's never too late.